Well, happy St. Patrick's Day, guys. Happy being locked in your houses, martial law, frickin' curfews on this beautiful rainy St. Patrick's Day. What are you guys doing to spend this day locked in your house, trapped? Heaven forbid we're trapped, don't have to go to work. Amen on that. We just got back from the grocery store. My beautiful wife is making a nice corned beef hash dinner for tonight. Traditional Irish dinner. Trying to, right?
Babe, have you ever had corned beef hash?
I've never had corned beef hash. What kind of, I got a little bit of Irish in me, I believe, along with everyone else in the world. You know?
I've never had it before.
I'm like 0.001% Indian.
Okay.
We all know who claimed that, right? But yeah, let's take a look at what we're having for dinner on this beautiful St. Patrick's Day. It's also my daughter's 8th birthday today, so we're gonna make her a cake. Yeah. Happy birthday, sweetheart, to you. And we're just gonna vlog today. No off-roading, no none of that. We're trapped in our house. Our kids are home from school. And what are you guys doing? I'll show you what we're doing. Shenanigans. Okay, look at this. We got Blarney Stone's corned beef brisket. Look at that. Only $6 for this nice brisket. Comes pre-marinated. Celery, onion, freaking some carrots, and then the best of all, instead of using water, we're going to use these Laguntas Imperial Stouts to cook the corned beef hash in. And can't forget the cabbage. So she's going to throw that all in that crock pot there. Also, we went to the store and we bought Nerf guns because we're going to have an epic Nerf battle a little later on. So we have guns. And then I'm cleaning one outside. We got one out there drying off. We had to bleach it because we left it outside and some mice moved in around it. So we're just bleaching it. But that one's an automatic, fully, like takes 12 double D batteries. So check out the new Nerf guns. Stay tuned for an epic Nerf battle. The best way to open that thing is just take that there knife and freaking stab it in there. So we've never made corned beef hash before. Cabbage, I believe, goes in like the last hour that we're doing this.
Yeah, so it doesn't get all gross.
And we're gonna cook it in the old crock pot here for, I believe, 5 hours is what it's calling for on a low heat, so it doesn't get too tough. Oh, look at that meat. And that's what it is. We're going to have some other fixins with dinner tonight.
Probably make some mashed potatoes.
That's what I'm calling for. Some good old mashed potatoes.
All right, let's throw these beers in.
Yep, crack open these beers now. Take a sip of that before you put it in.
Ooh, no.
You're a wine gal.
I am a wine gal.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So one of the recipes said that we could cover it with all beer, or you do one of the stouts and then cover the rest with water.
Yeah, let's not put water in there. Let's just do beer.
All right.
What about a little whiskey?
I don't know.
Well, what do you guys think? Whiskey? No whiskey. I'm thinking whiskey.
I don't know. It kind of like the seasonings that are on this kind of smell like hoppy, like beer.
All right.
That it's already, like the seasonings that it's already marinated in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well. Yeah. It smells really good.
I was going to throw a bay leaf in here, but it looks like they already did.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Well, happy St. Patrick's to you guys. St. Patrick's Day. And we're trapped again. So let's get this cooking and we'll show you guys the final product of what
Do you know what I just
we have made.
realized? You don't have any green on.
Oh, don't even. Don't even. Oh my God. Dang it. She got me so good. That was a titty twister.
Oh,
It's
no.
not a good.
I got you on your side, you big baby.
It's a titty twist.
No.
All right. Well, we're going to have Nerf Wars. We're going to have a good epic dinner. And right now, it's lunchtime. All right. The final product. Well, man, thanks for coming over for dinner.
Yeah.
Social distance. I sneezed in my elbow. Yeah. All right, we'll just ask. Hey, goodbye. Bye.